This is Samuel Academy channel. My name is Samuel. This video is about mapping of senior schools in Malindi Constituency in Kilifi County. The reason for this video is to create awareness of existing schools in the constituency for the benefit of students and parents when selecting schools for grade 10. I did the mapping of the schools in the video by using GIS. GIS in full is Geographic Information Systems. It helps us to understand patterns, relationships, and geographic context. In this video, I will explore the map of the constituency and show the location of the schools. After that, I will explain how a wet bulb hygrometer works. This is one of the instruments in a weather station which is used for measuring relative humidity. It is also taught in schools, right? So in the video, we have the map of Malindi constituency. Let me start to explore it. I will begin from the west. So if I zoom in around this area, I'm able to see the following schools. LB Maida Secondary School, Kakoneni Girls Secondary School. We have Yilore High School, all right? And then we have the following schools. As you move here, we have Kakuyuni Boys Secondary School, and then as we go further to the east, we find a big number of schools. Let's start from the northern end of that eastern part. We have Kibokoni High School, all right? We have King David High School Malindi. We have Tawhid Muslim Academy Secondary School, Burhani High School, Barani Secondary School. We have Brilliance High School, Malindi Progressive Academy Secondary School, the Silver Sands Academy Secondary School, Malindi High School. Then we have Town Secondary School, as well as Musabaha Victory Secondary School. Those are the schools that are found in that constituency, the senior schools, for the benefit of students who are selecting schools for joining in grade 10 and other users. All right, now I want to explain how a wet bulb hygrometer works. But before that, I want to encourage you, dear viewer, to share the video widely, to like it, and also to subscribe to Samuel Academy in order to see more videos. Now, this is a wet bulb hygrometer, okay? It is used to measure relative humidity. It is found in a weather station. It has two thermometers, the dry bulb thermometer and the wet bulb thermometer. The two thermometers are ordinary mercury in glass thermometers. Now, at the wet bulb, we tie a muslin cloth. Muslin is M-U-S-L-I-N, muslin cloth. We wrap around the wet bulb, and then we have a wick that is suspended from that bulb into a container of distilled water, right? So we have a wick that is immersed in distilled water in this container, right? So water rises by capillarity along the wick and evaporates. That evaporation around the wet bulb causes cooling, right? You know, evaporation causes cooling. So the water evaporates around here and causes cooling, such that the temperature you record at the wet bulb is usually lower than what you record at the dry bulb. Like in this example, the temperature reading is about this is around 18 degrees Celsius around here, and the dry bulb reading is around 24 degrees Celsius. So we have that difference, and we call it the wet bulb depression. It is what we use to determine relative humidity, all right? So what an observer does is that he records the two temperatures at the same time, the dry bulb temperature and the wet bulb temperature. Then he finds the difference, that is dry bulb minus wet bulb. And then that difference, he uses it together with a slide rule to calculate humidity. Or alternatively, he checks from tables. There are tables called psychrometric tables, all right? So after reading the two thermometers, the dry bulb and wet bulb, you find the difference, and then you compare it with the tables, the psychrometric tables, to find the humidity value, or you use a slide rule to calculate humidity in percentage. That is how we measure relative humidity by using a wet bulb hygrometer. Dear viewer, I want to urge you to share this video widely so that other students who have no access to a weather station can be able to view this video and learn something about the wet bulb hygrometer. And also remember, as a sign of goodwill, to subscribe to Samuel Academy to be able to view more videos. Thank you so much and welcome again.